We're back here at the arena in San Juan. Bukas po, kung gusto niyo manood, maganda rin po mga laban natin dito.
Wala nang hindi maganda. Lahat
Correct.
maganda na talaga.
That's right.
Lalo nang gumanda.
Yan po yung mga ibang player ng UST. Alam po dito. Yun din ang kinaganda ng laban ng Ateneo sa last week, Ozzy. Ang daming nanood from other schools, diba? Mga
Yes.
player.
And nakakatawa yung mga
Artista
comments.
nga diba?
Alam mo yung mga comments ng ibang players, no?
Ano sabi nila?
Parang championship. Sabi ko, so ganun na lang, bibigay niyo.
Wag naman, oo. Paglabanan muna natin.
Naisip nila, ay, oo nga, hindi po. Nakakatuwa rin.
Nice dig by Demasilio, which translates into this Galang kill. And she puts it away. Credit half that point to Demasilio, who took Dindin on that dig.
And look at the height of this flight. Look at her go up there, even over the blockers of NU, the tall blockers of NU.
Parang sinabihan ni Ara si Moji, marunong na naman ako mag-down the line. Hindi lang naman si Wedge Chu. Great attack. That's a great fake play.
And Erdan, finally, that's how we see her. That's what Coach Francis wants to see with this girl.
I like the variety. You always want that in a volleyball game, as Fajardo is still able to set it up, but Demasilio is underneath the ball.
Yep, not also in the best position to take it. It was set really away from the net.
Wench is back. See if Demasilio sits down for a while. No touch. No touch.
No touch.
Aranya sends it over to Chu. Chance here for National U, and they go to Dindin again, but not the perfect set. Masyadong matikit sa net.
Bantay na yung down the line.
Reyes naman! Or, I think it was Dadang and Reyes with a collision. You always hold your breath when people are jumping at the net. Dahil di natin alam.
That's where they get into contact.
Look at this. Puts it away. There's a little bit of a collision. The second year player serves. Pablo!
What a hit!
Gumabaw didn't flinch, but there was just too much strength behind the kill, so it just went away.
Deserves the second look, but credit also that beautiful set coming from Perez.
That's a beautiful approach. Picture perfect. 19 serving 17. It is Perez's turn to serve. Maranyo asked for it. That's why she found the spot.
Maranyo wanted that ball, and she's credited with that point. As we take a look at it, tignan ba naman. Yan ang maganda ring open. Mabilis. In this level of a game.
Hindi na yung mga...
Yun yung sinasabi ko minsan, hindi pwede yung panay loopers. So Maranyo was given it was an open hit,
Yes.
but it was fast, and it was shorter than usual.
Fajardo apologizing to Coach Ramil. Miscommunication between her and Maranyo, who wanted to kill that. And now National U with their noses ahead here. 20 serving 18. The foot is on the other shoe, so to speak. And it is Desiree Dadang rather.
For first ball.
Yep. Gumabaw saves it. That's a live ball. LaSalle with a chance ball. Maranyo asked for the second time. Oh, look at Gohing for coverage. Gumabaw on the other side. Reyes scrambling. Pablo attacking. Fajardo sets it up to Chu, and it's sent back by Nepomuceno. What a sequence.
Once again, the tandem of Nepomuceno and Santiago is just a wall on the side of NU.
It's a great sequence there on both sides.
Masyadong late yung bigay mo ng weekend, napapantay ako ano gagawin. Okay, medyo bilisan natin ng konti pitik. Paibutin mo to si Abby. pag runningin mo, pag naka-receive. Okay? So, bantay na yung A-quick eh. Dapat to, bibigay mo sa dulo na. Kasi sumabay na sa kanya eh. Binigay mo pa rin sa kanya. Anyway, sige, receive tayo.
It is amazing the trust that Coach Ramil has really given to Kim Fajardo here in recent games. And
Yep.
yung, as much as it doesn't sound good, but the truth is napapaupo si Esperanza sa kanya. Nababangkok tuloy, ano?
Katulad nga kanina, ito sa an
4-5
early
lang.
timeout. Yeah.
5-4 lang yung score nun.
Early substitution rather.
Yeah.
Well, tama si Coach Ramil. Napansin ko nga nahuhuli na yung A-Quick because si Fajardo, before she gives an A-Quick, di ba tinitignan niya pa
Correct.
Kanina si Maraño, tinignan niya rin. Kanina pa atras naman siya. It's sort of a, they're giving NU an easy time to read it.
Oh, Pablo. Nanggigil. This hit for Myla Pablo. Lasal, good time out there. They get a point. 19 serving 21. It is a full front line for Lasal with Gumabaw, Maraño, and Galang as the attackers. Wedge Chu doing the honor from the other side.
Let's see once again how NU, the Lady Bulldogs, will react to the situation. They're
Yes.
up by 2.
It's a great point, Mosey. That's a great move by Galang, outsmarting Santiago as a single blocker was there to check her. Galang adjusts in midair. Look at this. Full swing, and then... Ang paborito ni Mosey. Konting off-speed lang.
Sabi ko sa inyo, yung wing defense, kailangan kumilos yan. Hayaan nyo si Jen sa dulo. Problema niya yan. Ang problema natin yung 4, hindi nagtatrabaho ng mabuti sa ilalim. Basa, lapit na. Wala nang ibang pupuntahan ng bola kung hindi gitna lang. Naintindihan? Tapos, ito, si Myla, ito, buwa ka na, drop ball sa malapit. Ito, sa kukuha. Ito sa dulo. Diba?
Great point, Mosey just brought up. Can NU show, display a little bit of maturity and hold off this LaSalle team? They were up 21-18, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, in that timeout, you could clearly hear Coach Francis. Ngayon, specific plays ang binigay niya because he wants to get this set.
Good point.
Pomaceno getting that one.
Then, very underrated attacker.
Well, sometimes, Ivy Perez has to think that, of course, all eyes on Santiago in this lineup in front for NU. So, you gotta think of ways na paminsan-minsan talaga, bibigyan mo tong si Kai ni Pomaceno because in this lineup, Lasal would think na si Pomaceno yung
Puro
pinakahuli na pagbibigyan ng set.
Ito, sa kabila
Aha.
naman. Ang ganda
Exactly.
naman. Parang dinrowing ni Mosey yung play.
Diba? I mean, she has to really think. Yun yung maturity na hinahanap nga natin. And slowly, I'm sure NU is learning that.
Well, that's why you're being paid the big bucks, Mosey, to sit on that chair. To see those things. 23-20. Open to Galang. Oh, there's a touch on the net. That is a waste for National U because they had that play.
Big error on the part of NU.
Sayang yun, ha? Tignan natin yung angulo.
On net eh.
Yung tendency
Oh,
talaga
yeah.
na i-forward yung arms minsan nandyan. General and Reyes nandun sa likod to receive. And General gets it. Chance for LaSalle. They were scrambling. NU was scrambling rather. And it's overreaching.
Yes.
Ivy Perez with crucial errors in the first set and in the second set towards the end of the match or towards the end of the set. And LaSalle is breathing down their necks.
Scrambled na yung bola, scrambled din kayo. Okay? Dapat pagka gano'n, nagbabalikan ng atake, pakilayo naman yung konti man. Pag nagbabalikan yung atake, okay, kailangan alerto ka. Gusto lang naman pupunta ng bola, pumapasok na yung bola eh. Diba? Wait, alerto ka, kahit tapik-tapik na sa gilid. Naintindihan, ha? Tawagin mo kasi yung attention ng quicker mo. Ang kombinasyon kawag ng kalat. National.
Ganda no sinabi ni Coach Francis, when nagkakagulo yung play, dapat
Oo,
Hindi
yun
magulo
eh.
yung-
Yung setter mo yun talaga, again, babalik tayo sa calmness, steadiness. Yung setter kailangan of all people inside, all of those players inside the court, siya dapat yung meron yun.
Hindi ka makikipagsabayan sa gulo. Kumbaga sa scrambling. You're the one who...
Oh! And that was off a timeout.
General and Santiago looked at each other.
What a mistake on the side of the Lady Bulldogs.
We're tied at 23. Kai again. Kai has been productive.
And once again, Kai Nepomuceno getting that point.
And I like the angle that she uses
Yes.
also, Mosey. Ang hirap i-block kasi niyan minsan eh.
And that's one way of avoiding the blockers also.
Set point for National U. Underhand set, not the best of sets. And that's why. And that's why. Not the best of sets. Not a good first ball. An underhand by Kim Fajardo. And just like that, National University is on level terms again. Great timeout by Coach Francis kanina.
Tama.
To
Tamang-tama yung
to settle
timeout.
down, yeah. Credit the point to him.
Oo nga. That last point is for you.
He's being paid the big bucks also to make those decisions.
The bigger box.
25-20. And then NU with a 25-23 win in the second set. Back in a moment.